Hello, this is Max Palaro. Welcome to Universe Sandbox. Today we're going to do things here that no man has ever done on our planet Earth. Look at what a beautiful planet we have. This is where we live, guys. In this small place, I realized you can do many cool things. I checked your comments on other videos to see what else I can do in this game. I already thought I had done everything, and actually I did nothing. Because there are millions of things we can do. One of the things we can do is throw things at different planets. I don't need to throw the moon at planet Earth every time. I know it's cool to see the moon falling on planet Earth. But we can simply throw water. We can come here and say, water, go, bam. You might ask, hey, Max, am I supposed to throw water on Earth? Let me show you what happens if you add a little water. It's not pretty, I'll make that clear for you. It's not pretty, it's actually complicated. Just so you have an idea, I'm throwing a little bit of water, okay? I'm going to throw it here next to Brazil, like this, more or less like this. Take a look at what happens. When it hits, it starts causing problems. Look, it's already filled up here. Look, it's starting to invade Brazil, man. It was just a little drop of water. And we're gonna wipe out Brazil, a good part of Brazil. Brazil keeps vanishing, it's being flooded. Do you get what I mean? Let's put something here so we can see, because I can't see anything. We put the studio light here so we can see, so it doesn't look like nighttime. That was just a little drop of water that I threw. Look, I threw it there. Poof, it fell into the ocean and it's going to spread out and it's going to reach over there. And what's the idea? I wanted to see how much water we would need to put out the sun. Exactly. We've always known that throwing water on fire puts it out. How much water would we need? Because basically you can see that I've pretty much already wiped out half of Brazil. Uruguay is already gone, Argentina is going, and all of Latin America too. You drop a single drop here, look on the ground, and you see what happens, you know. Over time, this water, right, it has nowhere to go. We're putting water into the system, which ends up making this place complicated. So much so that the average temperature is going down or going up. It's going up. Throw more water, throw a lot. I'm gonna throw it once, and I'm not using the laser. Wow, look how cool that is, man. It makes some shockwaves in the water, dude. Brazil is done for. It's over, guys. There's nothing we can do. It turned into a bunch of archipelagos here. We can increase this. We can set it to 33% the size of Earth. I'm going to click. Look, talk through it. Let's see. The water is going to hit. I didn't see it. It hit. Do you see what happens? It became the old outer world. The thing came, everything vanished, and people are dying. The wave, man, happens in seconds because it's like 10 minutes per second, maybe in an hour. Europe, Africa, it all went away. Just a drop of land left. At 33%, combining 3 Earths gives us 3 Earths worth of water. Look at that. Poof. It just disappeared. The whole planet was covered by water. Look, Antarctica is still standing. Let's also pour a little water here, and we just turned this into water world. Okay, that's it. Just pour a little here. This is ice for anyone who doesn't know. So it turned into, whoa man, what's happening? Is there a problem? No. There's a glitch here, it's shaking. Is the Earth being electrocuted? Earth became a water world, now let's see what we can do with other planets. For example, let me take Mercury. Let's throw water on it. There's a lot of water here, huh? Let's make the water fall faster. 100 kilometers per hour. It hit. Wow. Okay, we're creating. Water is life. Let me see how it is here. The chance of life isn't getting similar to Earth, huh? Look, 29. We're healing the planet. Sun, I'll save you for last and check the other planets first. I want to come here to Venus. I want to take a look at what we can do with Venus. Can we add water, but like on a surreal level? Come on, Venus. It's your turn to drown here, too. Let's drown all the planets here. I don't know if it's going to mess everything up at once. Whoa, the planet is swelling up, man. Wow, I filled it with water. And if I keep pouring water, just keep pouring water like this, look, it makes some patterns on the surface. I'm really filling it with water. There's already... My God, what happened? I sent 10 Jupiters worth of water and this is what happened. It's growing, still spinning. My God. It turned into a gigantic thing. But wow, wait, what happened there? Look, what happened here? What is this? No. I want to know what this is. Whoa, it's water that's going somewhere. They're Earth-sized drops of water. Okay, take me back to Mercury. How is Mercury? So after all that, the water remains, right? Is there any composition? I'll fill it with water and see what happens. Keep pouring. Whoa, It's even causing problems here. Wow, look how cool that is. It's making some... Whoa, water is flying everywhere, man. It's gonna end up hitting someone, man. Let's get Mars. Mars, it's time to create life in you. Let's start slow because it's too fast. Let's also slow down the speed. Let's make it slower. It's too fast. I want to decrease this here. I want to set it. Lowered it a little bit. Let's pour some water here. Holy fuck, but it was just a little bit. It kind of does something. It's like they paint the planet with water. All right. Let's play, mano. I'm messing up. There are drops forming here. This is getting kind of messy, but it's all good. Let's consider Jupiter. Since water is distant, let's calculate how much we need to transform the planet. Pour 3 Earths worth of water. Did anything change? No, keep going. Nothing changes. What is this? Nothing's going to change. It's not possible. I'm not going to be able to erase the planet. The planet is going to erase the sun. I'm not going to be able to erase the sun, will I? If I can't even flood the planets. Let's increase 1 Jupiter per second. Holy fuck, Jupiter turned into a sun. Jupiter literally turned into a sun. No, that's not possible. Jupiter turned into a sun. Guys, that's it. Wow, the temperature. Crazy. Lower the water again. You can lower it. Oh man, I think I messed up forever. Jupiter became a sun. It's fine. Now, with Saturn, it's similar, right? With Jupiter, I'm going to play a Jupiter here. Whatever, let's see what happens. The water's still running, I think. I threw it really far. It's going to hit. It hit, and absolutely nothing happened. Is there any way to make it bigger? Can you send another one? Are there 46 Jupiters? Hey, holy fuck, man. We're turning this into a... What do you mean? I'm erasing the sun and making it bigger. Holy shit, my god. What's happening with Saturn? Saturn, what's happening? It became a neutron star. Let's pick Pluto. I know Pluto isn't a planet anymore, right? No need to throw 46. Jupiter, poor thing. Let's throw a little less. 25% of Earth. Let's go. Through it, my god. There's still some on the other side. Look, it stayed on both sides. It would be so cool if we made an ocean. Half Calabresa, half 4 cheese. That's better, right? It's 9% like Earth. Keep it like this. I prefer it. Let's visit another planet, Neptuno, the water planet. Let's add more water to Neptuno, but that's still not enough, right? Can I turn this into a sun too? Let's just throw a little bit. Okay, a little more, a little more. Holy shit, what happened? Wait. Slow down the time. Look, Neptuno's atmosphere disappeared. We ripped off the atmosphere by force. That's awesome, man. Hold on. I want to return to Venus. Let's see what happens if I add the water slowly. Not all at once. Let's check if we notice anything. 1,000 moons. That's what happened before. Let's throw a little more. He's still growing, right? Let him grow. My god, it's turning red and getting hotter. This is about to catch fire. The temperature keeps rising. My god, what's happening? It's going to explode. It really turned into an incandescent body, right? It's catching fire over there, man. Venus was already on fire, so okay. It's time to put it in the sun and see how it does. Let's check how much water fits. Let's see. Here, let's start slowly. Let's make the water the size of Jupiter. Let's see. All right, woohoo, it's getting bigger. The sun is getting bigger. I'm not zooming in. Did you see? An explosion. My god, what is that? The sun, my god, Mercury's gone. It got hit, slingshotted away, and it's gone. You can't turn off the sun. Let's zoom in more. Let's put several water suns. What's happening? Uranus, everything's disappearing. More water. I want to turn off the sun. Damn, all the planets are gone. All the planets just said goodbye. Go on, turn off the sun, damn it. Come on, more suns. Oh, man. What happened? The sun turned into a black hole. I can't believe it. Are you kidding? Can you light it up? The black hole? I can't see it because no light reaches there. No light. The sun became a black hole of water. All right, everyone, we managed to put out the sun one way or another, right? We extinguished the sun and made it a black hole. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit like and support the channel. Remember to subscribe down below, turn off the notification bell and all that. If you made it this far, type sun out in the comments down below. Use those 2 words in a sentence to show you finished. See you in the next video. Bye.